What's up, YouTube? Back. It's been a long time. I haven't forgot about it. If you're new, this is illegal racing. Right now, what you'll see later is that I'm on a mission to have rare Chevys. That's just how the car's landed right now. For the old subscribers, I haven't forgot about nothing. Life is busy, but we're back. And there has been too many signs going on for me to ignore the fact that I can take this channel to the top. So with that being said, I'm in the comfort of my home, always got a bunch of stuff going on. But now what I've learned is that a busy man always finds time. So with that being said, on top of everything going on, everybody has life, everyone wants to see good stuff going on everywhere. So that's what I'm gonna do. I wasn't really in a good spot to show that I'm having fun. But now I took it upon myself, not for me, but to showcase what I can do on the channel, have fun with the cars, go out and just be ignorant. And I'm in a good spot, and I think I got a lot of people behind me that want to see everything grow, and then we'll have fun along the way. So behind me, I got a bunch of audio stuff. And if you're not caught up, if you don't know, we have a Quadrister Suburban that I got for a steal. That's my daily. I got a two-door Tahoe in the garage, and I just acquired a Cobalt SS. So you don't need you don't need 1,000 horsepower to have fun, right? You don't need all this crazy stuff to show that you can have fun with cheap shit boxes, you know? I'm wearing this because I got promoted. I got my purple belt. I got promoted at work. So with that being said, I'm taking it upon myself to take the channel and promote the channel to the next level. So we are going to be doing stuff. I haven't forgot about the two-door. It's there. It's been bugging me every day. And now I'm in a spot where we can have fun with it. So I'll show you what I have here. I'll show you what I have out in the garage and what's outside and everything that's going to come in the future. So I'm going to be dedicated. We're going to do the weekly uploads, everything going on. Even when things are in chaos, I'll show you all the chaos. All right, I'll show all the chaos. I'm gonna have a smile on my face with the chaos. That's gonna be a main thing. So I'll show you guys right here. So this is my old setup, but two Memphis 12s, old school Memphis 12s, $30 head unit, sound digital, 400 watt monoblock amp. This thing is tiny. So I'm gonna make that work. Inverter, we got cables, we got all the speaker wire RCAs here for audio, because you know I do like to dabble in the audio. So we'll get that squared away. Let me go show you outside. I know the garage was gonna be noisy, but she is here. 96 two-door Tahoe, Beltec lowering kit, factory 18s. We got the 4080. This is an oil transfer case. 5.3. We got a Windsor for a project for my cousin. And this is not going anywhere. This is my baby. This is what started the channel. Mexico front end. Everything on it. It works. Ain't got no oil in it because it's all on the ground. But she's here. And here is the new project that landed in my lap. Cobalt SS, and this is the supercharged version. Nice interior, manual. All the parts are in the trunk. Factory boost gauge. You know what I'm saying? And also, if you are new, I'm the king I am the king of finding these things for cheap. The two-door, I bought $1,800 here in Dallas. The Cobalt was from a friend who just wanted to get rid of it. I got this for $800. Now, it does have a new long block in it. And the motor's in, but I have two blowers. Alright. Oof. And I just gotta put it together. But this is where we're at. Clean title. So this is gonna go together. That is gonna get, that's gonna get heads cam. Still on the 350 Vortec. I'm gonna keep this a 350 Vortec until the Vortec gives up. Then we'll see what's going on if we go with the Turbo 5.3. Turbo 5.3. It needs to happen. It needs to happen for me. It needs to happen so that I can do stuff. Now that I have a lot of stuff going on, this is where I operate at a high level. So now that I have to consistently have chaos around me in order for progression to happen. The quad steer bourbon is over there. I'm constantly flexed on the neighborhood, parking it like that with the wheels turned. But we're gonna get everything organized. I'm gonna get those two engines on a stand. There's a cherry picker right here. You know we started with BMW. All the extra parts that are over here. This runs, drives, everything, no AC, but I gotta fix the oil leak. It is drivable. I need to get my baby on the road. The Suburban here, so we got $800 for the Cobalt SS, $1,800 for the two-door, and the Bourbon. If you don't know, this has been the daily for years, back and forth to Georgia. It got 260,000 miles on it now, but you can see we're hard parked. We're hard parked right now. Wheels are flexed. Bought this for $3,000. So, with that being said, whatever I go through with these cars, they're gonna be here. This is gonna get put back together. I'm probably gonna port the blower and get it back together. Like I said, that's gonna get heads cam work. My buddy has a mobile dyno, so when I get the Cobalt together, I'll see what the dyno, what the Cobalt dynos. If we get anywhere close to 200 wheel, I'm happy, because I ain't doing nothing to that. That is the daily. That is going to stay like that. It's all good. You know, all my tools organized. You know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Showing off the top drawer, you know what it is. So we're here. We have Lone Star Mobile Dyno, which is my buddy's business. So everything is falling into place for me to not do what I need to do. And everything's here. There's a GT350 that I am getting all my ducks in a row so that I can buy that. That will be the next level fun car. These are the cheap shit boxes to where you don't need to dump $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 into a project to have fun. A good friend of mine had mentioned, I don't understand how people have 3 project cars. I don't understand how people do this and that, whatever. I'm here to show you that you can have your cake, you can eat it too, you can do everything that you want to do. It's just a matter of time, execution, and consistency. So, and honestly, just freaking luck, right? This thing is up and running because I can do everything. I'm not concerned about that, the Cobalt, because I could put it all together. The Bourbon, since the last you've seen it, after I swapped through her axle and did everything, nothing has failed on that car. The only 2 parts that failed were the 2 parts I didn't replace when I initially did the full rebuild. So I put a rear axle in it, hoses, lines, this and that, whatever. But starter, fuel pump, that's it. That's all that went out. And my hydro booster just went out. I should have made a video about that, but it's whatever. But everything I come across along the way, everyone that I want to teach how to do this kind of stuff is going to come along the way. How to wire subs, how to get everything done, how to do the carburetor conversion, the heads cam package on this. It's all going to be here. I have an abundance of content that I can have for the channel, for here, promotion, growth. At the end of the day, even for my buddy's business, if I could get him 1 or 2 more customers, that's a W. That's a win on both sides. So I'm here to show you. I'm not here to show off. And we're going to make it happen. So I will see you on the next upload. We'll see what we do next time. I'm probably going to be putting the cobalts together on the next one, showing you where we're at with the 2-door on this. I'm going to get a parts list of, I'm probably going to go with the GM, the ported stock heads, get them from Summit. Summit is 15 minutes away from here, from where I stay at. So there's no reason why I can't be out here and show you what you can do in the garage, what you can do out here on the driveway, and make it happen. It wouldn't be a video if I didn't burp. I'll see you guys in another one.